Hi guys, this is Adit. Welcome to my podcast Broken Motivation. You can listen to my podcast on Anchor.fm and Spotify and many other platforms that are so available. So just listen to my podcast and enjoy yourself. My podcast speaks about the importance in your life. In our life, we face many problems. So I will give some suggestion to solve these problems. So stay tuned with me and enjoy more podcasts from Broken Motivation. If you have any suggestion, you can just voice message and convey your feedback. Don't miss it. Stay tuned. Hi guys, this is Adit. Welcome to my podcast. I hope you enjoyed my last episode about effective listening is more important than talking. So in this world, many people face many problems because they are not satisfied with what they have. So they are expecting more than what they have. So these things are very dangerous sometimes and may lead to problems. People should be satisfied with what they have. There should not be any greed within humans because it will lead to problems. So in this episode I am here to speak about satisfaction. Actually satisfaction comes from within oneself. People are not satisfied with what they have right now is because they always end up comparing themselves with others. That's the biggest mistake they do. When people succeed in their life, they will get motivated and they want their success to sustain in their life completely. Whereas some people want to enjoy and satisfy with what they have. Personally, I think human never get satisfied with what they have actually. They are always hungry to get more and different. People are never satisfied with what they have. They always want something more or something different. I would have to agree with this entirely. Our life would not be so full and exciting without goals. In this episode, I will give some different reason why I agree with this above statement. The dissatisfaction, needs and want start in a very young age. A child is never satisfied with his toys. He always needs some more toys. Scientists say that if one gives a child a familiar toy, he will play it for a while and forget about it. In the case, one gives a child a new toy, he will become more enthusiastic and play it for 2 days. Once we grow older, our goals become less material. A son or daughter wants to get mother's approval of father's pride. He or she may achieve this by getting high marks at school or by helping them. Once we grow old enough to take care of ourselves, our goals change. First of all, we want to be happy and succeed. Secondly, we want our parents to be proud of us. Some people think that rich people have everything they need and they have nothing to wish for. I think it's not true. The more money one has, the more one wants and can afford. Besides, there are some things no one can buy, like love, friendship, and health. So, a rich person may want to lose some weight and looks like a normal person from a cover of the magazine. Or he wants to go out with a girl who is not interested in him and his money. In my opinion, life would not be worth living without goals. If people would be satisfied with all they had, we probably would have to live in caves. So it does not matter how many goals we are achieved. We will find new ones in order to accomplish them all over again. Thank you and stay tuned for furthermore podcasts from Adit.